In this video, you will learn about adverbs of place. This topic is a part of adverbs. Adverbs of place tell us where something happens. Some examples of adverbs of place are here, there, everywhere, inside, outside, away, and around. Here and there are the most commonly used adverbs of place. These words give a location relative to the speaker. Here refers to the place where the speaker is. For example, please sit here means you need to sit near the speaker. There means away or not with the speaker. For example, the washroom is there, which means that the washroom is away from the speaker. Adverbs of place, like somewhere, are used to talk about a location you are not sure about. For example, let's go somewhere for lunch. The sentence means the speaker has not decided about the place to go for lunch. Words like up, down, and across are used to talk about a specific direction of movement. For example, the balloon went up. Or the ball is rolling down. The adverb of place tells us where the action happened and is usually placed after an action word. For example, the wind blew away the balloon. Or the boy ran across the road. Now you know about adverbs of place and how to use them.